Hello! New day, new bahay. Today, I'm going to show you a 16 million pesos house here in Town and Country, Angeles City, Pampanga. Tara! So, we have 2 carport garage here. Tapos, itong gate niya, may provision for automated gate. Maglalagay na lang. May naka-ready na saksakan. Then here we have a garden. This is a corner lot po corner lot. So, may garden tayo dito. 2 meter setback po. Okay. Pasok tayo sa loob. Here is your living area. High ceiling. High ceiling yung living area nyo. And here is your dining area. In dining area. Ito yung dining area. Maluwang. And meron kayong space for lanay sa labas. May lanay kayo sa labas. Pwede kayo maglagay ng mga hanging plant here. And here is your kitchen right here. Ganda din ang kitchen. Maraming cabinets. Maraming cabinets, guys. And dito sa labas, nandito ang yung dirty kitchen. Going to your garage. And meron tayong maid's room here. Okay, maid's room. May sarili siyang toilet and tub. Tapos ito yung wash area nyo. Dito pala sa baba, meron tayong guest room. And meron din tayong powder room here for your guests coming in. Meron siyang powder room. And here's the guest room. Ito, maluwang. And lahat ng room ng house na to is made of wood parquet. Ang kanyang flooring. And meron na siyang sariling toilet and bath. Wooden cabinet. And meron na rin siyang AC. All inverter. Akit tayo sa taas. So, dito sa taas, we have 3 bedrooms. So, dito muna tayo sa first bedroom. So, here is your first bedroom. Ang makikita nyo here is the park. May park siya. And meron siyang built-in cabinet. And may inverter AC na din. And here is your bedroom number 2. Same lang sa bedroom number 1. Maluwang, spacious. Spacious lang. Same lang sa bedroom number 1. May built-in cabinet, may AC. And nandito ang kanilang common toilet and bath. Okay, dito tayo sa master bedroom. So here is the master bedroom. Sobrang luwang. Sobrang luwang ng master bedroom with maluwang na balcony. Ang laki ng balcony. So this is a corner lot. Makikita nyo naman. Corner lot sila. Tapos dito yung park. Yung mga kapitbahay, kitang-kita. And dito tayo. May walk-in closet here. Yan. Dito yung walking closet, no? And the toilet and bathroom. Pwede kayo magdagdag ng cabinet here sa labas. Kung not enough yung cabinet sa loob. Kasi sobrang luwang pa dito. Ang ganda ng flooring. I like the wood parquet. So guys, if you want to view this house, please call the number above and follow me on YouTube. See you on the next house tour. Bye-bye!